African kitchen. African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen. African kitchen. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my hands. African kitchen, African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African kitchen, African kitchen, Mama Africa, Mama Africa. African mama, let me feel that taste. I can't wait no longer for the steel on fire. Now give me the chair, give me the table, give me the bowl, make I wash my...
It's a beautiful day, people at home. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be with you once again. This is African Kitchen, your #1 television cookery program. I remain Buki Ogunote. It's so good to be with you today. I'm sure you've been expecting to see me. I'm here live. Thanks for joining me. Okay, on this episode today, we are going to cook something very nice, something very common, but in a unique way. How do I mean? Don't go anywhere. It's something that you see on a daily basis. But I tell you, the way we are going to prepare it today is quite different, and you will love to learn it. Trust me, you will love to learn it. And who is going to prepare it? A man. Hey, I'm going to learn here today. A man is coming to prepare this wonderful dish. Stay glued to your TV sets. Don't go anywhere. Let me bring in my guests so that we can start mixing and doing this magic together. But I tell you, cooking is an act of creativity. You'll love to be part of it today. Don't go anywhere. African Kitchen is the program. I'll be right back. All right, you're welcome back. We're still here. It is African Kitchen. So if you're just coming in, just relax, get a seat, sit down, and let's take the ride together. Let me bring in my guest immediately. I told you, he's a man, a wonderful, handsome-looking man. Please come in, sir. It's nice to have you. Chop double knuckle, It's good to have you. Is he not handsome? Very handsome, I tell you. Please, I want you to tell the viewers at home your name, where you come from, what you're doing presently, and you greet them again in your dialect. Oh yeah, I beg, baby.
Yeah, good day, everybody. My name is Nta Ijebu Ode. I'm from Kwara State.
Wow.
I'm a civil servant. I work at Surulere local government.
Wow.
That's me.
All right, greet them in your dialect.
Yeah, Ekule Bobole. Orúkọ mi lẹ́ǹkan sí ni Yusuf Táíwò Babátúndé. Ọmọ Kwara ni mi, mo wá látẹ̀rìn ilé nílùú Kwara. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ ní Surulere local government lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bí Èkó lọ́lọ́run ti ní ká máa gbé àti ń jẹ tá ti ń mu. Tó lédè lu wa ẹ kú lé o, gbogbo ilé ẹ ṣeun. Àdúrà wa ó gbà o.
No, you are talking.
Àní wa lásán o. Yóò dà fún gbogbo wa o.
Yóò dà fún gbogbo wa fa. Because of I see you there, complete.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Chop 10 knuckles. Okay, I know I'm going to have fun. Eku ati tan eku ati mo ní ṣe dáadáa la bá yín. You see now, we're going to have more of that.
I think you are more useful to my...
For me, I don't mind me.
More than I do.
Don't mind me. It is Ishewa with it to everywhere. Okay, so good to have you. So what do you want to prepare for us today?
I want to prepare semo and egusi. But the egusi will be in my own way.
Good.
Thank God I learned from my grandmother.
Oh, beautiful.
May also rest in peace. So
amen.
Whatever I do here, the viewers should just please manage it to me. You know, remember I'm a man.
Forget to.
Let's see if I can do something nice here today.
That excuse is not acceptable.
Okay, no problem.
Even we have men who are better cooker.
Let me see if I can be one of them today.
You are a cooker.
No, I'm not a cooker, but I love cooking.
I'm sure our viewers and our lovers, they understand our language. Shebi, you know, that cooker, we understand. Okay, no wahala, no wahala. Yes, so what are the recipes that we need to prepare this? What are we going to eat it with to start it?
Semo.
Semo. Yes. Beautiful. Nice one. All right. So what do we need?
I have semo here.
Okay.
This is the principle of it all, because you cannot just make egusi without something to,
you know,
push it down. So this is my semo to
not
start
for
with.
Somebody like me, because me I can sit down with ordinary soup and be drinking there. Okay. From there. I just
that's why
you're
a woman. So I can't just cook egusi and keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
I must mix it with something that.
All right.
So I have vegetable ugu.
Okay, that's your choice.
I have egg here. I'm sure you'll be wondering what I want to use the egg for in egusi. Stay tuned. I have red oil, palm oil. I have grounded pepper. I have seasoning cube.
Okay.
The most important one, salt. Without salt, you don't do anything. So, and the reason we are here, I have egusi.
The egusi.
Wow. I wish I can get a bushmeat for this, but
which one?
I can still manage this.
I wish you can get what?
Bushmeat.
Hey, can you imagine?
Like
this man said
or something.
So, okay, so the water for our semo is boiling, and we're going to start with this any moment from now. We'll be right back, viewers. Let us. Okay, so with this one we're going to put the
egusi.
Oh, this is where you will put the egusi.
This is where I want to prepare the
I know. So which one do you want to put first? The palm oil. Yes, so you can pour it. Pour the palm oil.
So that it will go a little bit light. Okay. You know, you don't just leave it cold, and when you start eating it, everything will be oily and you won't even enjoy what you want to eat.
Okay.
So in my own language, I'm also saying I fẹ́
gba epo. All right. So while we're waiting for it to bar, viewers, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
We won't bar too much anyway.
You're welcome back, viewers. Now we are about to continue. Yes, where are we?
I'm here. I want to cut the onions.
Okay.
So that it will be easy for the red oil to bar.
To bar. Yes. This one can go in first. The other one, no, we leave it. We're still going to put but this one first one. So now what goes next?
Now I want to do the miracle with the.
Oh, okay. Let me bring this down a little more. That's nice. Now watch clearly. I want to learn. You want to need water? No, just for your space. Okay, sir. Okay, so you're breaking the egg right into the egusi. Wow. This is nice. Yeah. This is nice. Do you need a tablespoon?
Yeah, if I can get. Thank you.
I can get you one. It's clean. It's already clean. Salt?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'll still.
Okay.
Fine.
That's okay. Okay. Wow. So what's the essence of this egg? So I want you to explain to them.
I asked my grandmother why she normally mix.
Oh, you learned this from grandmother?
Yes.
So during the time of your grandmother, she has dogbo or kogbo mixing egg?
Yeah, and that time we normally use the local egg. That's
Eyibile. My goodness.
And so, I asked her, what's this for? She said, same thing water will do. The egg will do, but the egg will do better.
So I wanted to ask, now you have answered my question that as it is, that means you're not going to add water again.
No, I don't need water.
So you just mix everything together
Yes.
thoroughly. So with this, it will stay together more than when you have one.
And it will give you more vitamin. You know, eggs has its own benefit in body system.
That's
So plus egusi and whatever you're adding, then you're getting extra.
So we have to do it fast so that our water is boiling. I have to reduce this too
Okay.
because you're the one that will do them. Okay, the pepper goes in.
Can I have a spoon too?
You can. You don't want to use everything.
No, I'll use everything, but I don't.
No, you don't want to pour it directly. So there goes. Okay. Japa.
Thanks.
Okay, water. Ah, I like this man. Oh no. He knows how to really do it. Nothing is a waste.
So leave it to get steam a little bit.
So as we're doing that, please face semo because the water is already boiling. Okay. We all have different styles in preparation of whatever you want to do. Okay, that's it. I want to see how this thing will not have cocoa today.
Okay.
Okay. I'm always scared of this style.
It's one of the best items.
Really?
Yeah.
Ṣé ti tó bẹ́ẹ̀? Because no money.
Yeah. To value, me want vitamin fee. I'm sure this must have gotten to the stage we want, so
Okay.
salt will go in
Okay.
first. The egusi will be the last to go in anyway.
The last? What about the vegetable and the meat?
No, the egusi before the vegetable.
What about your meats and the stock? So that my jinokpo.
No marginal.
Okay.
My one.
All right. I'm going to the meat contain raw dada. Ko ba water dada. I mean, that's why I always like to start all this pepper with everything from the beginning with the meat. So that as it's cooking, the meat will also be cooking along with it. Okay. How about the salmon? Can we continue?
Oh, yes. Now the meat can go in.
Okay.
You know when you pour everything, only
Must
splash.
but that it reduce weight so you can pour. Why you can't want onions in your waist?
Ah. Sorry.
No problem.
Leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes
Okay.
to skin.
Okay, so you can finish this up.
Yes.
You can mix it together. So we are doing well, if you ask me, viewers. I just want to see where you are done with this salmon. So now we can mix that one off. Cheleti, what's okay?
Yeah, what's okay.
The semo is ready.
Now the egusi.
Okay.
Let me use my hand for this.
It's better. We'll now be cutting it very well. This. This one is neat on its own. Who taught you how to cook, sir?
Like I said earlier, my grandmother.
Oh, yeah.
From my
you
grandmom
said so.
to my auntie. I normally call myself Omolomo because I stay with a lot of people. So whoever I'm staying with, I must pick one or two from them when it comes to cooking.
That's nice. And you're really doing well, honestly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're doing well. So the egg is really helping it to stay together.
And just watch out. You're going to like the taste, I'm very sure.
I know. I'm not in a hurry. I know. If I were you, I would put little water in that thing. Sure. Everything will be, because of those little ones, we have their space too.
Lest I forget.
Yeah.
My mom sells food.
Really?
At international airports. Then. So there's no how you do without going into the kitchen with my mother.
Hey, and you'll be helping her too. Hey, yeah.
While she's preparing rice, I turn about or amala, anything for her. You just have to be helpful. Don't come back like Yaruka money the 1 naira. She'll tell you kilo tishe
for me. I like that woman. Ooh. So do I need to cover it for a few minutes?
Yes.
Okay. This is looking nice.
You want to have a taste?
I don't mind though. No. Look at the egusi eleyi. Honestly, I feel like carrying one.
No problem. You are free.
Wow. This is nice. So now the vegetable goes in. At last! I'm waiting for that so that I can sprinkle the onions on top. That's what I'm waiting for. You can imagine. Ọkùnrin ló ṣe yìí o.
Okay.
So I can stir now. I love to stir this. And remember, ugu also has its water. So when you want to prepare, let your pepper dry a little from water. And once the vegetable enters, you don't need to overcook it. You first sprinkle onions with the chicken.
Yeah.
So I can go now.
Yes.
Can you see what we are doing? This is nice. Mo karamo ẹ gidi gan. Wonderful. This is done. This is good. The steam alone will soften it. Viewers, this is done. This is ready. Emadi, let them see. Are you not proud of yourself?
My head is swelling.
You are proud of yourself. Honestly, this is really looking nice.
You know me, Ndufa.
This is nice. This has come out well. The semo is ready. And here is our egusi eleyin.
Ó dà pé màá ní láti tẹ̀lé yín lọlé.
Kò sí wàhálà.
Tí bá yín ṣe oúnjẹ bí 2 weeks.
I wouldn't mind though. I would so much love it. Honestly, I will just cross my legs and I will eat it.
And you transfer 5 million to my account for 2 weeks.
This man, no. Don't worry, we'll
Anyway,
see
I'm
behind the
pleased to meet you, Aunty
camera.
Buki.
Same here, my
Seriously.
brother. I'm so happy.
I'm enjoying my time with you.
Oh, thank you so much. In fact, you really made my day with this. Look at this. Look at this. Henceforth, I'm going to be using your style to prepare my goosey.
No problem, but you must pay for my style.
Don't worry, I will.
I don't joke with money.
Okay, viewers, thank you so much. Don't go away. As you can see, our food is ready. Let's go to the table. Join me on the table. It's African Kitchen. You're welcome back, viewers. All right, this is looking so good. I'm sorry we can't wait, but let's meet you. What's your name?
I'm Michael Ayomide.
Michael Ayomide. This man said, without eating the semo, the thing has changed his voice already. Not to talk of when he now eats it. No worry. All right, let's continue. We will see you after this break. In fact, I'm going to start from you. What can you tell me about this that you have just eaten?
Like, the food was really great. Like, the taste was spectacular. Like, it was from the beginning of the down to the meat and everything.
He does
like,
not even know from the beginning
I
of
don't
the...
even know the English to use for it.
Down for...
But it was really great. It was delicious.
Thank you.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
nice. Very nice. You really tried.
Yeah, you tried
I
it.
enjoyed the vegetable, not overcooked. And the egusi, henceforth, I'm going to be using this style to prepare my egusi. I said it too.
And I remember I told you must pay for
Forget, nah, not the we adba. Now we.
Yeah, anyway, thank you for having me.
You're welcome. It's so great to have you too. Thanks for this revelation. Viewers, I believe you have learned something because me, I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. I enjoyed every bit of this soup. So, whatever you want to do, remember to eat well. This is really nice. Very good. Children can eat it. Adults can eat it. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to cook for me next month. Don't worry. Don't run away.
I'm not running.
All right. Thank you so much, viewers, for staying tuned. I'm sure you enjoyed this episode just as we did. Make it a date with me again on another interesting episode of African Kitchen. Thank you so much. Be focused, love one another, and keep staying alive. Part of staying alive is to observe all the precautions. COVID-19 is real. Very real. Stay safe, keep safe. From me, Buki Ogunote, and from every one of us, we sign out on African Kitchen, your #1 television cooking program, by saying,
Bye.
God bless you.